G'day, this is Jason Sweezy here from Forex Trading Watchdog, and we're looking at the pound dollar. We're looking at the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so anyway, let's check out this double top divergence trade. So we have what you call double top bearish divergence. So you just put a line from top to top, double top right there. Okay, and then down on the indicator right there. I could even make this bigger so you can see it, because just because it's so stretched out here over a long period of time. Let's make it bigger. There. Now we can see that puppy. So as you can see, we got a double top here, and we have divergence because we have a higher high with a lower high on the indicator of choice, which is the OSMA. Many different indicators you can use. You can use the RSI, the stochastics, the two-line MACD, the regular MACD, with all regular settings. There's other indicators also. I'm not going to name 20 indicators. I just know of the most popular ones. But in my opinion, the best one is the OSMA. Oh yeah, it shows the divergence such more, such more pronounced. It's more pronounced. Where if you look at the MACD, it's supposed to be pretty close to the same thing as the OSMA, but where you can barely see the divergence on the mountains and the valleys on the MACD, oh, how easy you can see it on the OSMA, man. Okay, so anyway, let's get back to this here. So we have this double top bearish divergence. So we would have entered our trade right there, okay? After made the top and they crashed it through. And they got, I'm using these moving averages as my entry. So when price came back to the dotted line, we would have sold it. So if we would have sold it right there, okay, stop, 52 pips, and so far we see 99. So we're off by another 5 pips, and we hit target 2. We definitely hit T1, which is target 1. So anyway, that's it about that. And then now we will look at the Fibonacci. Fibonacci is always interesting when you go look at it. So we're taking it from the low of 2 weeks ago, which was Friday, okay, of 2 weeks ago. And as you can see, right here, came in, put in the high, did a retracement. If you would have had your Fibonacci sitting right from here, if you would have drew it, and price was coming down, and you're a trader and you're a counter trend Fibonacci retracement level trader, you would have bought right here, okay? And so anyway, if you would have bought right here, it would have went against you about 18 pips. But it went up about 66 pips, as you can see. Okay, came down again to the 38.2. You can see that here. This is not something I'm making up. This is something right real before your eyes. It's showing you how powerful the Fibonacci tool is, if you know how to use it, that is. So anyway, it came to it again and went up. Did it give you as much pips this time? No, but it still gave you about 25 pips. Okay, so then trading this, like we usually do, is trading divergence. Geez, I can't think of what I want to say today. I got like a brain fart. Anyway, sorry about that. So anyway, we would have sold it here, and down it went. Like I said, it hit our target, hit our first target, and almost hit the second target. And as you can see, it came down here, retraced up a bit. It came here to the 61, okay, and retraced up a bit. There were some buyers in here. There were some buyers in here, right? and in here, and in here, right? Because you always got the opposite side looking for the bottom. Those bottom crawling trolls. I don't trade like that myself. I just trade with a proven strategical strategy, and that is divergence, okay? I just use Fibonacci as a guide tool, okay? But you can use it as a tool to trade as well. So, as some of you may know, some of you may not know, the three most important levels of Fibonacci is the 38.2, the 61.8, then the 50%. This 23.6 don't mean jack diddly, okay? And the 78.6 means, hey, it's all over. The trend is over. It's not going to keep going up. If it hits this 78.6, it's more than likely going to keep going down. Okay, so anyway, thanks for listening. Once again, this is Jason from ForexTradingWatchdog.com. Have a great weekend. We'll see you next week.